What's going on, everybody? Step back again at your screen with another dance challenge for you amazing people out there. That's right. As you guys can see, if you guys read by the title there, I'm going to teach you guys how to do the Let Me Be, a little simple little dance piano dance challenge that you guys definitely learn how to do in no time. And also, you guys definitely came to the right channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Dave Weck. I'm a dancer, choreographer, teacher. Here to teach you guys dance tutorials, make it simple and easy so you guys definitely get your groove on, learn how to dance, and also show off to your friend, cousin, dogs, relatives at your events as well. That could be any clubs, parties, or any events that's coming up that you guys have in mind, so you guys can definitely get a little groove on and pick up your rhythm as well with your boy David. And I also do recommend you guys do share it to your friend, cousins, dogs, relatives. So don't further ado, I'll show you guys how to do the dance, and it goes just like this. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, let's go. Just like that. So that's just a little dance there. It's simple and easy, right? I know you guys definitely learn how to do this in no time. So if you guys are just got your feet up there and you guys are watching and all comfortable there, I definitely suggest you guys do get up and attempt doing this dance while I'm doing it as well. So here we go. Here comes the first step of it. So it's going to start off by doing this. You guys are going to take this little step and it's going to go out, step, step, step. All right? So again, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, different angle. There we go. All right, pretty simple and easy, right? So that's just you see right there, that is the first step, and you guys are definitely picking up your rhythm with this as well, and definitely helps you guys with your rhythm. So you guys are gonna go step, 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 step. All right, to your right, left, right, left, right, left. And all you're basically doing is taking that step, bring it back, step, bring it back, step, bring it back, step, bring it back. Hey, there we go. Awesome. So once you guys got on that rhythm there, that first step, all you basically do is taking, and then you guys gonna add your arm movements into it, which is gonna look like this. See that? There we go. All right, step. Forward, start again. 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Awesome. Okay. So once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do a different angle. Here we go. Let's get it. There we go. All right, awesome, there you go. And then now we're gonna go to the next step. What the next step is gonna go, it's gonna go hit, hit, hit. And then you guys are gonna go back to the same movement again, all right? So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're just gonna go hit, hit, hit. All right, that's what you're basically doing. So what you guys are gonna do with your step is, it's gonna go hit, move, move, move. Why you move like that, all right? So we're gonna go. So all you're basically doing is kind of like, you're gonna go on your toes slightly and you're just gonna go hit, 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 and walk forward, all right? So again, there we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there we go. Again, once more, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna go hit, 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 hit. Hey, there we go, all right? So once you guys got in the hang of that part there, you guys gonna go back and follow the same, repeat the same movement, the first movement, which is gonna go step, 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 and then hit, hit, hit. All right, so again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there we go. And then once you guys got that movement there, so again, so for them once more, for those people that missed it, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna go hit, 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 back to step, step, out, hit, and then we're gonna be here. And once we're here, I wanna go, don't stop, don't talk, and then we're gonna go, yeah, 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 and hit, 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 hit. Yeah, and then yeah, just like that, right? So now, so once you guys got on the step there, once you guys gonna go, one, hit, out, step, step, hit, out, don't stop, don't talk. All right? So what you guys gonna do is take that step, which is gonna go out, don't stop. So you're gonna go, take that step out like that, cross out, and your feet's gonna be apart, arm movements out as well. And then your arm movements, you guys gonna go left arm under your right arm like this, and you guys gonna go, don't talk. All right, so again, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, don't talk. So it's gonna go, stop, don't stop, don't talk. And then you're gonna hit your, all right? So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, don't stop, don't talk. And then once you guys are here, you guys can see I'm kind of bend up a little bit, and then my arm movement, left arm to my right, underneath like that, and then don't talk. And I'm gonna go into a position, and I'm gonna go step, 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 step. So what you basically do with your leg movement is gonna go pivot out, pivot out, pivot out, pivot out, pivot out. Almost like the Michael Jackson. Yeah. Just like that, all right? So, okay, so I'm gonna go, take that step, and we're gonna go hit, 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 hit. Without the, you guys gonna go into your little, more pair with it. Hit, 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 yeah, le. Okay, awesome. So, you guys gonna finish off as well is, you guys gonna go into your movement, which is gonna look like this. Hit, 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 hit. That's how you guys gonna finish it off. And with your movement, all you're basically doing is, you guys gonna go hit, bring it in. And all you're basically doing is in, out, and it's gonna go hit, 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 out with it, throw it out, all right? So it's gonna go in, scoop, throw it, scoop, throw it, scoop, throw it, just like that. And you guys gonna hit your back to the same position again, and with your head movement, and that's how you're gonna finish it off there. And if you guys wanna add your own little twist to it, put your own little flavor to it, you guys are more than happy to do so. And also, if you guys are keeping up down below there, and also comment below how you guys going down below there if you guys are getting it. And if you guys aren't, that's fine. Take your time, and don't forget to rewind this as much as you guys want to you guys get the hang of it as well. And if you guys enjoying this video, definitely comment below if you guys are, or if it's too hard or too easy, comment below what's your thoughts. Comment below what's your thoughts down below there as well. And also as well, don't forget to smash that like button, share it to your friends, dogs, relatives. And also as well, I'm gonna show you guys one last little preview at the end there, how it's supposed to look all together. And that is the video there. And if you guys enjoyed this video, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your love and support. And don't forget to smash the like button. Comment below what's your thoughts on it. And if you guys have any dance challenges, dance choreographies, dance moves, or whatever you guys have in mind, definitely drop it down below there, and I definitely get right into it. And don't forget to share it to your friends, cousins, relatives as well. And also as well, don't forget to follow my social down below there, so you guys can keep up to date what I do on a daily basis. That's outside of YouTube as well. And that's been your boy that work. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the love and support you guys have been showing. And I hope to see you guys next video, learning how to dance with me. And you are in good hands of teaching us dance, whatever level you guys are at. If you guys are beginner, advanced, I'm here to teach you guys whatever level you guys are at, and definitely will show you guys, break it down step by step, and how to do the dance in no time. So that's been your boy that worked. Thanks for watching. I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Yeah.